Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by getting both devices ready. Charge them above 50% and enable Bluetooth on your iPhone and Apple Watch. Next, activate pairing on the Garmin heart rate monitor. Press the sensor button until the LED blinks or follow its quick start steps. On the Apple Watch, open Settings and go to Bluetooth. Keep both devices within 3 meters. This ensures a strong signal and speeds discovery. Because Bluetooth scanning windows are brief and proximity, prevents failed handshakes. Once the Garmin broadcasts, you will see it in the Apple Watch Bluetooth list. Tap its name to pair and accept prompts. If it does not appear, open the Garmin Connect app on your iPhone to verify the monitor is broadcasting and remove any previous pairings that block discovery. After pairing, make sure the watch workout or third-party app is set to use external heart rate source. This step is crucial because some apps default to the internal sensor, so selecting the Garmin ensures accurate, external readings during exercise. To finish, start a short workout and confirm the Apple Watch displays the Garmin heart rate in real time. This validates the connection and data flow. If readings lag or drop, reposition the strap higher on your arm for consistent contact, then reboot both the sensor and the watch and repair. This clears transient Bluetooth conflicts. If problems persist, reset the Garmin sensor to factory settings and pair again. Troubleshooting like reboots and resets resolves most issues quickly, because lingering pair records often cause.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.